Want to unlock hidden insights into your marketing efforts? Then make sure you're using UTMs. UTMs are the hidden power boosters for your marketing analytics. These are the add-ons that you'll see at the end of a website, and they look something like this. The magic of UTMs is that they can shed light onto overall marketing campaigns, channels that are driving leads, customers, and ultimately revenue for your business. And if paired with a CRM like HubSpot, they can give you some really powerful insights into your overall effectiveness of all of your marketing efforts. So here are 3 UTM power moves that we recommend. Number 1 is a consistent naming convention is key. So Facebook with an uppercase F versus Facebook with a lowercase f are 2 different things. 2, you want to make sure that you keep and maintain a UTM tracking document. So that way everyone on your team can stay organized with the UTMs that are being used. UTMs can be used for more than just tracking. They can help make your website dynamic by pulling in information from a form like a name or email address, or even allowing you to make dynamic headlines. Here's a spicy hot tip. Use a tool like UTM.io, which is a Chrome extension that allows you to quickly create, organize, and track the UTMs that are being used.